If you don't know what tripe is, you've got to try it. And if you love it, today I'm going to show you how to make it perfectly. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Italian tripe stew. I got to say, it's probably my favorite dish in the whole world. If anybody asked me what is the one thing you would want to eat for the rest of your life if you could only choose one thing, or what would your last meal be, it'd be tripe stew. It sounds crazy, but it's true. What is tripe? Tripe is the lining of the cow's stomach. Now, it seems really intimidating to eat, and when you tell people that that's what they're eating, a lot of people will say no, but trust me, if you have never had it, you have to try it. It is so delicious. The flavors in here, these organ meats really flavor the sauce and the stew in an unbelievable way. It's something that you really have to try, and once you do, you're gonna eat it all the time. What's the reason as a kid that we didn't eat it very often? It's not that it's a complicated dish. Actually, it's pretty simple. It's that it takes a long time to make. This dish takes about 6 or 7 hours for the tripe to get very tender. Now, for years, I tried to replicate my grandfather's dish and I couldn't do it. So this is the culmination of many years. I finally, I think, have perfected it. And it is the culmination of many years of trial and error and how to really make the tripe perfectly tender and balanced. So join me today. I'm gonna make some tripe stew. I hope you enjoy it. It's very simple, only has a few ingredients: the tripe, bay leaf, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, and green peppers. I really hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let's get to it. Come on. First, cut the tripe into rough, evenly sized pieces. Some can be squares, strips, or triangles. The exact shape doesn't matter. What's important is keeping the pieces about the same size so they cook evenly. Today, I'm using about 5 pounds of tripe. Once it's cut, add everything to a large stock pot. Next is a quick first boil. This step cleans the tripe and improves tenderness, so don't skip it. Cover the tripe with water, bring it to a rolling boil, and let it go for 5 minutes. Drain, rinse, and return it to the pot. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and 4 bay leaves. Fill the pot with water so it comes about 2 to 3 inches above the tripe. Now it's time for the second boil. Turn the heat to high and bring the pot back to a rolling boil. Once boiling, lower the heat to medium-low. We want the liquid to slowly reduce while the tripe cooks down and becomes tender. This takes about 5 hours. Cover the pot, coming back occasionally to crack it open and stir. After 5 hours, the tripe should be soft and tender, and you'll be left with a slightly milky liquid right at the level of the tripe. At this point, season with salt to taste. The tripe should be flavorful on its own. Now, add your 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. Next, add 4 more cloves of chopped garlic and a few tablespoons of fresh chopped basil. Then, add 5 green peppers, chopped about the same size as the tripe. It'll feel like a lot, but it is a key part of the dish. The green peppers break down as they cook and almost melt into the stew. Now we've got about an hour and a half to 2 hours left. This is the hard part. Now that the tomatoes are in, the tripe can stick and burn on the bottom if you don't stir. Every 10 minutes, give the pot a good stir, making sure to scrape the bottom. I know it's a lot, but I promise it's worth it. After about 1.5 to 2 hours, the green peppers will be very soft, almost broken down in consistency. At this point, turn off the heat and get ready to serve. So, we're all done. I had to bring Luke out because I'm lucky. This is Luke's favorite dish too. When I was his age, I said it was my favorite dish. Luke loves this. Actually, he begged me. He wants to bring this to school tomorrow, which I'm a really proud Italian dad that you want to bring tripe to school at risk of getting made fun of by everybody else at school. You actually want to bring tripe. So, should we try it? You want to have some cheese?
Yes, please.
Okay. Cheese for you, a little cheese for me. Let's do it. Get some pepper in there too.
Oh my.
Oh my. Go ahead.
The tripe is not that chewy. It's very soft and tender. but the tomato sauce also has a lot of flavor. I think the pepper had some good, like, taste into it. It's just really good.
It melts in your mouth. Melts right in your mouth. The tripe melts in your mouth. When you put the green peppers in, you put the green peppers in at the end, and you let this cook down until the green peppers almost blend and meld right into that sauce. And it just becomes a complete part of it. The peppers themselves are really, really, really soft and really delicious. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but tripe is extremely healthy, great in iron, B12, and collagen. Everybody these days are all about collagen. If you want collagen, eat tripe.
That's so good.
We're going to dig into this tonight for dinner and probably have a couple bowls. Thanks for watching. Join us next time. Real Plates, Real Life. We appreciate the support, and we'll see you next time. Bye.